Okay, my wonderful people, I come with this exciting unboxing video. I made my order from Jumia, and I was just at my working place and I received a notification that my order is set for delivery, and my order was delivered. And I have to open the package, to check and see if it's exactly what I ordered. And yeah, it is actually is what I ordered. I found in the package. I was just excited, just happy, receiving congratulations. And wow, congratulations. It's something that I've been hoping and expecting to have. Praying to God for provision of, the money, the fund to make the purchase, so that the vision for the content can, can be fulfilled, or receiving a kind of advanced, quality. Audio also matters. Actually, right now I'm not using the mic, but in few moment time I'm gonna switch to the mic. Because of the excitement, I have to return all the packages and still, open it again. So just stay tuned, and I'm gonna make the connection and you'll hear the sound. Testing. So I'm using the microphone now. This is K35 Pro wireless microphone. It's affordable. I'm telling you, this mic is very affordable from Jumia. I have to take advantage of the Black Friday. Is it Black Friday? Yeah. So I have to just, make this order and see if actually I will get what I've ordered. And this is it. This is a dual wireless microphone. It comes with the audio transmitter, the audio receiver, and the audio receiver is one, and the audio transmitter that is two. You can either make use of the two or make use of the one, for interview, two persons, communications. If you are the only person that want to make use of it, you can keep the one and then use the other. So how are you seeing it? This is very affordable, very affordable from Jumia. K35 Pro, that is it. K35 Pro wireless microphone. I really love the outlook, the way it looks like, the way it is. It's actually what I ordered for, and that is what they delivered onto me. Yes, it's amazing. It's amazing. So as it is now, I have to just come out and still make it again. I tell you, the joy is too much. I'm just overwhelmed. When you are expecting something and you really have that expectation came to pass, you understand? You'll be excited. Because of the excitement, I still return this back into the package again and still open it, just to still show you how it looks like again. I'm telling you, this is wonderful. I really appreciate God. And I pray that this microphone, it is gonna help make the audio effect of the content I'll be making to be more effective, be more clear, to be more sound. So as you are seeing now, this is it again. So to some of you that want to know how much is the price, you want to know the price. Okay, this price of this microphone is something that you can buy, just like I said. It's 12,219 naira. Yeah, 12,219 naira. I think that is the price, and then you're gonna pay a delivery fee of 1,400 and something naira. The total is 14,219 naira. So that is the amount that have been paid for the purchasing, the order, and for the delivery. So may you have a wonderful look of this K35 wireless microphone. So I've on it now. That is the indicator. When you on it, it's gonna how do you on it? Okay, you on it for 3 seconds. You press the button for 3 seconds. Both the audio transmitter and the receiver You press it, hold it for 3 seconds, it's going to on. And when it's on, you are going to see a kind of a light, it's a more of like a sky blue color. That is mode 1. And when you still click on it again, that this very one that we are seeing, this is the audio receiver. Is the audio receiver. When you click on it again, to the third mode, you are going to see a light blue color. It shows that it's now ready for connection. Then you fix it to your phone and then start recording. So thanks for watching.